Hey guys, welcome to our channel. The Face ID is one of the security features in iOS devices, wherein you can unlock your iPhone using your face. It's a cool feature provided that it works properly. However, it seems like some iPhone X owners are having some issues unlocking their devices for some reason. So in this guide, we will show you what you need to do to make the Face ID feature on your iPhone X work again. The first thing you need to do if something stopped working on your iPhone without apparent reason is the forced reboot. It simulates the battery pull procedure and has been proven to be very effective in fixing minor hardware and software related problems. It is easy and safe to do, so you don't have to worry about your files or your data. To do it, quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger the device to shut down and power back up. Once the Apple logo shows on the screen, release the power key. Now allow your iPhone to finish the boot process. Once it becomes active, try to see if you can now unlock your device using Face ID. If the first solution fails, then what you have to do next is to set up Face ID again. It is possible that the previous Face Unlock data has been corrupted, which resulted to your iPhone not being able to recognize your face anymore. To access Face ID, launch Settings. Now scroll down a little bit to find Face ID and passcode, and once found, tap on it. If prompted, enter your security lock or passcode. Tap Reset Face ID, but if you've already done that, touch Set up Face ID instead. Now follow on-screen instructions to set up Face ID on your iPhone. This should be able to fix the problem. However, if it persists, then you have no other choice but to reset your iPhone. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide can help you. Please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching.